Hi class, today we are discussed about nomenclature of phenols. Previous lecture we are discussed about nomenclature of alcohols. Now I am going to start nomenclature of phenols. Let us start. Nomenclature of phenols. Start. Nomenclature of phenol. Today we are discussed about nomenclature of phenols. That is compound name is phenols. That is species name is phenols. In the case of one alkyls group are present in this compounds and also hydroxyl group in the present in this compound. So what about some common names and IUPAC name in this species? The common name and IUPAC. First of all, student, you know that first this is compound is the ortho position, this is meta position, and this one is the para position. So this compound's name is ortho Srishor, and IUPAC name, common name in this compound is ortho Srishor, and IUPAC name in this compound because the main functional group in this compounds hydroxyl groups. Hydroxyl group in the main functional group. So this one is the first carbon and second carbon, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So this compound name is 2-methyls phenol. Let us take the next example. In the case of this hydroxyl group are occupy in the this hydroxyl groups are occupy in the meta position. What is the common name of this compounds and IUPAC name in this compound? So this one is the ortho, this one is the meta position. So this compound name meta Srishol, and IUPAC name in this compounds, this one first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Why we take in the first carbon? Because the functional groups, hydroxyl group, main functional groups connected by this carbon. So this one name is this compounds 3-methyls, 3-methyls phenol. The next case, in this compounds hydroxyl functional group in the para position. What is the common name and IUPAC name in this compound? Common name this compounds and IUPAC. Common name in this compound, this one is the ortho, para and ortho, meta and para. This is the compound name is para Srishol, and IUPAC name in this compound, this one is the first carbon, second, third and fourth, 4-methyl phenols. Nomenclature of phenol, first of all, you know that is phenol because in hydroxyl groups are directly connected by aromatic ring. This compound is named phenols. In the case of hydroxyl group are present in the aromatic ring and also connected by other carbons are also connected by other alkyls group. This compound name ortho and IUPAC name 2-methyl phenol. Next one, in this hydroxyl group present in the meta position, this compound metasericol 3-methyl phenol. Or next case, in this compounds, hydroxyl groups are connected by para position. This is the parasericol and IUPAC name 4-methyl phenol. Dihydro derivation of benzene are known as 1,2, 1,3 and 1,4 benzene diol. Let us take one example. One hydroxyl group is connected in this carbon, and another hydroxyl group are connected by ortho directing group, ortho position. So what about the common name and IUPAC name in this compound? The common name in this compound catechol. Common name in this compound catechol. And IUPAC name in this compound. IUPAC name in this compound 1, 2, 3, 4. So benzene 1,2 diol. And another example, hydroxyl groups are meta position. Another hydroxyl groups are connected by meta position. So what about this compounding? Common name in this compound resorcinol. Resorcinol. And IUPAC name in these compounds 1, 2, 3. So benzene 1,3 diol. And focus on this compound. Then this one hydroxyl groups in connected this carbon and another hydroxyl group in the para directing group. What about this compound's name? Quinol. Common name in this compounds quinol. And IUPAC name in this compound 1, 2, 3, 4. So benzene 1,4 diol. IUPAC name. Of functional group. Next topic is structure of functional group. Let us take example of methanol CH3O and H. Student, you know that methanol, this is the methanol. Methanol's 2 lone pair electron oxygen, 2 lone pair electrons, another electrons are formation of bond, and this one the formation of bond. Due to repulsion, in the case of the number of bond pair plus lone pair, 2 bond pair plus 2 lone pair are 4. The 4 steric number, this is the compound is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization is geometrical structure of sp3 hybridization tetrahedral. And bond angle in this tetrahedral structure 109 degree and 28 minutes. 109 degree and 28 minutes. Focus on this compounds. Due to repulsion, the bond angle of in this compound 108 degree and 9 minutes. The bond angle of this compound 108 degree and 9 minutes. And sp3 hybridization structure, this carbon are connected to 3 another hydrogen groups by the covalent bond, and this carbon also connected by oxygen by covalent bond, and this carbon in the sp3 hybridization. The bond angle due to repulsion in the methanol 108 degree and 9 minutes. Let us the next example. In the case of phenols, this oxygen connected by aromatic ring, and this one also connected by hydrogen. Two lone pair electron oxygen are occupied. In the case of phenols, this carbon so sp2 hybridization, because in benzene ring pi bond are connected, pi bond are occupied alternative case due to sp2 hybridization in the phenol. One the bulky group present in this oxygens, one bulky group present due to repulsion, the bond angle 109 degree. Slightly difference between tetrahedral bond angle 109 degree and 28 minutes, and this one is the 109. And now next, in the case of ether, CH3, these carbons are so ether. In the case of ether, this oxygen both side bulky group. This oxygen both side are bulky group. This oxygen both side are bulky group, CH3 bulky group, CH3 bulky group, or each carbons are so sp3 hybridization, and this carbon also so sp3 hybridization. But due bond pair larger repulsion, due to bond pair larger repulsion, both bulky groups, and this ether bond angle 111 degree and 7 minutes. And bond angle in this compound methanols 108 and 109 in the case of phenols, and in the case of ether, the bond angles of ethers due to bond pair repulsion 111 degree and 7 minutes. And next, bond length is this. Focus on bond length in this 142 pm. The bond length between one methyl groups in the oxygen 142 pm. The bond length also in this compounds 136. In the case of ether, the bond length 141 pm. Thanks.